Most students hear the same advice. Work hard in school, get into a good university, and your degree will guarantee a high-paying job. That might have been true years ago, but in 2025, things look very different. Tuition fees are higher, living costs keep climbing, and technology, especially AI, is changing the job market faster than ever. Now, I'm not saying university is a waste of time. Degrees still open doors, and the student experience can be unforgettable, but relying only on a diploma to build financial freedom, that's risky. Students today need to think differently. Instead of waiting until graduation, the smartest move is to start a side hustle now. Something flexible, something online, and something that not only helps pay bills today, but could grow into something bigger tomorrow. The good news is, you don't need a lot of money to get started. Most of the best side hustles for students only require a laptop, a phone, and some creativity. So in this video, we are going to look at 7 online side hustles you can start right now. Each one is practical, beginner-friendly, and can realistically help you make $1,000 a month. Side hustle number 1. Freelance AI tutoring. AI tools are everywhere. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva AI. They're powerful, but here's the thing. Most people don't know how to use them properly. That's the opportunity. Students who take the time to master these tools can turn around and teach others. You could offer one-on-one tutoring, run small workshops, or create guides for classmates and small businesses. Picture this. A student learns how to use ChatGPT for essay planning, business emails, or marketing copy. Soon, friends start asking for help. Then, local businesses want to learn too. What started as practice suddenly becomes a paid gig. Ratings. Time to learn, 2 out of 5. A few weeks of practice will put you ahead of most people. Money needed, 1 out of 5. Free plans are enough to get started. Difficulty to make $1,000 a month, 2 out of 5. With a handful of clients or a few group sessions, it's realistic. Side hustle number 2. Social media ghostwriting. Everyone wants to post online. Entrepreneurs, influencers, even teachers. But most don't have the time or the words to do it well. That's where ghostwriting comes in. If you enjoy writing, you can create LinkedIn posts, Twitter threads, or Instagram captions for busy people who are willing to pay. For example, a student might start writing LinkedIn posts for small business owners. The posts perform well, clients are happy, and referrals start rolling in. The best part is, you don't need a huge audience yourself. You just need to know how to capture someone else's voice. Ratings. Time to learn, 3 out of 5. You'll need to practice different tones. Money needed, 1 out of 5. A laptop and Wi-Fi are enough. Difficulty to make $1,000 a month, 2 out of 5. A few regular clients can get you there. Side hustle number 3. YouTube automation, faceless channels. Not everyone wants to show their face online. Luckily, YouTube automation makes that possible. Instead of vlogging, you create content with stock footage, AI voiceovers, or simple animations. Think about channels that share study hacks, personal finance tips, or tech reviews. You focus on research, scripting, and editing, without ever needing to appear on camera. A student might start small with free editing tools and AI voices. Over time, as videos gain traction, ad revenue and sponsorships start coming in. The magic of YouTube is that once a video is uploaded, it can keep working for you 24/7. Ratings. Time to learn, 4 out of 5. You'll need to understand scripting, SEO, and editing. Money needed, 2 out of 5. Free tools can work, but investing in better software helps. Difficulty to make $1,000 a month, 3 out of 5. It takes patience, but growth can be huge once momentum builds. Side hustle number 4. Reselling vintage and thrift finds. Thrifting isn't just about saving money. It's also about spotting treasures, and some of those treasures can sell for a lot more online. Platforms like Depop, Poshmark, and eBay Make it easy to flip sneakers, vintage jackets, or unique accessories. Imagine finding a pair of sneakers at a thrift store for $40. You list them online and sell them for $200. Do that a few times each month and you're past the $1,000 mark. This is why so many students are getting into reselling. It combines style, creativity, and income. Ratings. Time to learn. 3 out of 5. You'll need to know what sells, how to spot fakes, and how to take good photos. Money needed. 3 out of 5. You'll need some upfront cash for inventory. Difficulty to make $1,000 a month. 2 out of 5. A few good flips can easily get you there. Side hustle number 5. App and website testing companies launch new apps and websites all the time. And before going public, they need real people to test them. Students can sign up for platforms that offer paid usability testing. You basically try the product, click around, record your screen, and give feedback. One student explained how she spends 20 minutes testing a new app and earns a small payout. On its own, it's not huge, but when you stack multiple platforms together, it adds up to steady income. Ratings. Time to learn. 1 out of 5. No special skills needed. Money needed. 1 out of 5. Just a device and internet. Difficulty to make $1,000 a month. 3 out of 5. You'll need to combine multiple sites, but it's possible. Side hustle number 6. Online coaching or tutoring. Most students underestimate the skills they already have. If you're bilingual, you can teach languages online. If you're good at math, you can tutor high schoolers. Even something like time management or study skills can be turned into coaching. For example, a bilingual student might offer English or Spanish lessons on platforms like Preply or italki. With rates of $20 to $30 per hour, just a few steady students can add up quickly. It's flexible, personal, and can grow with your schedule. Ratings. Time to learn. 2 out of 5. You're teaching what you already know. Money needed. 1 out of 5. Free platforms can get you clients. Difficulty to make $1,000 a month. 2 out of 5. A consistent schedule of lessons makes it achievable. Side hustle number 7. Print-on-demand merch. Students live in the heart of meme culture. And with print-on-demand, you can turn that into income. Platforms like Redbubble and Teespring let you upload a design, and they handle printing and shipping. Picture a student creating funny shirts about campus life or exam stress. At first, friends buy them for fun. Then, strangers online start ordering too. Once the designs are uploaded, they can keep selling passively, even while you sleep. Ratings. Time to learn. 3 out of 5. You'll need to practice design and learn what works. Money needed. 1 out of 5. Most platforms are free. Difficulty to make $1,000 a month. 3 out of 5. It takes time for designs to catch on, but when they do, income becomes passive. So there you have it. 7 side hustles students can start online in 2025. Some are quick wins, others take more time, but all of them are practical, realistic, and can grow into something much bigger. The big takeaway is this: you don't have to wait until graduation to start building your financial future. Even a small side hustle can give you skills, confidence, and extra cash to make student life easier. If you enjoyed these ideas, hit subscribe so you don't miss future videos. But here's what I really want to know. Have you ever tried making money online? What worked for you, what didn't, and what would you recommend to other students? Drop your story in the comments. I'll be reading them, and who knows, maybe your experience will inspire someone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.